Yeah. So, diagnostic errors in medicine. Yes. Part C. Now, question number 16. Diagnostic errors in medicine. Part C. Question number 16. So here you have the question. You have 2 minutes. Bottom right hand corner, 120 seconds. That means 2 minutes. Yes, ready. Yes, the time is up. So question 16. Yeah, you can submit your answer. You can submit your answer. So question number 16. A, B, C, and D. Okay. So it's logical reasoning approach. So you can write your answer, please. You can write your answer, please. Yeah. Yes. So this is the link for checking your answer. Then afterwards write how many marks you got out of 2. 2 by 2 or 1 by 2 or 0 by 2. Whatever you want to write, you can write like that. Check your answer. I given you the link. I have given you the link. You can check your answer there. Yes. Yeah. Right. So now what is the answer? Yes. 16th one. C is the answer. C is the answer. Now why is a C the answer? Why is C the answer? You can analyze. So that's it. This is the explanation for why C is the answer and why others are not correct. Option A isn't the correct answer because although the paragraph begins with a patient presenting with an initial complaint, it then goes on to look at the issue from the doctor's perspective. Okay. Then next, option B isn't the correct answer because although the writer talks about the steps that need to be taken and how complicated that process is, it is not the time this takes that he is drawing our attention to. Now, option C is the correct answer because the writer says the process is not linear. It's not linear. Linear means in a line, in a straight line. And that doctors are likely to take a few steps back before finding the right route. It's not a direct route. They'll go forward and backward and try to find the right route, drawing our attention to the fact that the pathway is not clear. And doctors need to investigate various possibilities before arriving at a diagnosis. That means this is not a direct path. This is not a linear path. This is not a direct path. This is not a straightforward path. The doctors will go back, move left, move right. Then they will take a dot of all the things into consideration, various possibilities, and then they arrive at the diagnosis. It's not a straightforward path. They have to take indirect routes, not direct route. It's not a straight route. It's not a direct route. It's not a straight route. Okay, it's not linear. That's what he's telling. Right. So they will take various possibilities. Then option D isn't the correct answer because the writer is drawing our attention to steps in a process and makes no mention of specific data. All right. That's what it is. You can see that very clearly here. Okay. That's very clear. Now let us go to the question once again. Yeah, here it is. Right. Yeah. What aspect of diagnostic process is the writer drawing attention to in the second paragraph? So this is the second paragraph. Okay. What aspect of diagnostic process is the writer drawing attention to in the second paragraph? What is he going to show you? Diagnostic. What process? What aspect? What aspect is telling? Okay. So what is he showing here? Now he is showing this may be partly due to the nature of modern healthcare. After the patient presents with the initial complaint, each step in the diagnostic investigation presents the physician with a bewildering array of possible paths. So array, bewildering means bewilder. Bewilder means confusing. Okay, bewilder, shocked, confused. So remember these words, very, very important. Bewildering, very important. Not a straight. It's a, you don't know, you will be confused which way to go. array of possible paths, not one. There are many paths. It's not a straight method. It's not a direct way. Okay. Now, so bewildering array of possible paths. There are many possible ways to identify, diagnose, to take in terms of what questions to ask and which investigations to order. In addition, the process is not linear. Linear means one line, means a direct. Not linear, one line, straight, linear, direct. No. In the way it is normally presented in textbook, it is likely that the doctor will have to take a few steps back. He has to go back and go find the right route. So he's not going directly, he has to go back, especially with more challenging cases. And it seems doctors often jump ahead as well as back. See here. They often jump ahead, they go forward, and they go backward also. Try to understand here. One study has shown the treatment alternatives are often evoked during the diagnostic assessment before a final diagnosis has even. So now here you can see it very clearly. It's not a direct method. It's not a direct method. It's not linear. Not linear. It's indirect. Not direct. Way. The way. So try to understand how I'm pointing it out for you. So the way. Now this not linear are two words. Linear means direct, not opposite, not linear. Not linear means indirect. Try to understand there very clearly. Okay. Try to understand not linear, not the direct, the not linear way, not linear in the way. Okay. Conclusions. Final diagnosis. Reached. Okay. So try to understand that one very clearly. Okay. If you understand this in a different angle, you'll get final means conclusion, last, final, conclusion. Okay, ending, diagnosis. Okay, right? Diagnostic process. Okay, reached. So try to see that. Conclusion means final. So everything is very clear here. It's not direct way, it's indirect way. They'll go forward, they'll go backward, they'll go sideward, they'll think about that, this, that, anything possible. Especially in more challenging cases, they'll go forward and backward, often jump ahead and as well as back. They go forward, they come back, they go forward, they come back, they go forward, they come back before final diagnosis. Okay, so that's it. They'll preliminarily diagnose with something. So when they go for it, it's ruled out. Then they'll go for another test. Then that also will rule out. So they'll go forward, backward, forward. But final diagnosis reached. It's not a direct, straight, linear. Not linear means not direct, means indirect. That's very clear. So you have to understand the process. What process? Diagnostic process. Diagnostic process. The process means diagnostic process. Where is this? The process. Diagnostic process. Okay. Is. So here you have to analyze the clearly straight line, means a direct road. We'll say this is the direct route to your house, because direct, no other bending, no turning left, no turning. It's a direct road, means linear, straight, linear, direct, or same meaning. Linear, not linear, means not direct, means not straight, means not direct, means indirect. So I hope you understand it very clearly. If you understand, then it will be easy for you. Okay, it's not a joke. You have to understand synonyms: linear, direct, straight. Linear, one line; straight, direct. All are same. Not linear, not straight, not direct, indirect. Okay, not is removed and put in. Linear is removed and put direct. That's all, nothing else. Yeah. So that is the explanation. Clear? Then, yeah. So this is the explanation. Yes. So that's it. And if anybody is interested, those who are watching on the YouTube, you can contact me on this number. If you want to attend regular sessions, these are all our regular students. So if you want to attend, you can join our regular batch. So